Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wahab and welcome to Gulf Arabic Master. Today we are going to learn basic colors in Arabic language. So let us start learning colors in Arabic language. White, abyad, black, aswad, aswad, red, ahmar, ahmar, yellow, asfar, asfar, green, akhlar, akhlar, blue, azraq, azraq, violet, banafsaj, banafsaj. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any doubts or if you want to know a name of other colors, you can ask me at comment section. Please share my videos with your friends and colleagues. You can also enjoy all the videos that I have already uploaded in my channel. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye salama.